Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking on the topic or the question that people have been asking is QuickBooks easy to learn? So if you've been thinking about using QuickBooks but wondering is it easy to learn, this video is for you. I'll break down what learning QuickBooks is really like, what to expect as a beginner, and tips to make the process smoother. Let's get into it. All right. So yes, QuickBooks is beginner friendly, and it is relatively easy to learn, especially if you're using QuickBooks Online. The interface is clean, all right, and the menus are straightforward, and many common tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and back syncing are intuitive, even for non-accountants. Most users can learn the basics like sending invoices or reconciling accounts within a few hours of hands-on use. Okay. Now the question is, where do people struggle? Okay. So QuickBooks can feel overwhelming when you dive into advanced features like payroll setup, inventory tracking, journal entries and charts of accounts, custom reports and tax setup. But the good news, QuickBooks offer guided walkthroughs, built-in tips, and tooltips across the platform. Plus, there are tons of tutorials available, including right here on YouTube. All right. Now, if you come to the resources menu, you get to have a whole lot of you know menu, sub menu where you can learn, ask questions, about what you're learning currently. Now, if you come to the community, you can easily ask questions, ask for tips on what you're working on. Okay, if you click on the support topics, you will see various topics that have already been answered. If you come to the training, you can get trained on this, on this particular session community. There are a lot of people who are using QuickBooks that you can ask questions from. All right, and QuickBooks have tons of resources where you can learn from. So tips to learn QuickBooks faster. Here are a few tips if you're just getting started. Start with a simple start plan. you know QuickBooks has four plans. They have the simple start, they have the essential, they have the plus plan, and also the advanced plan. So for you to learn very fast with QuickBooks, start with the simple start plan, which has fewer features, and with fewer features comes um, um, easier to learn. It's easy to learn with the few features. You can easily learn it. Then also use the QuickBooks sample company to practice without risk. Okay. Then watch short video tutorials based on your industry. Then focus first on core tasks like invoicing, bank syncing, and expense tracking. And also don't be afraid to ask questions. QuickBooks also supports a big user community. As you can see here, if you click on this particular menu, you will see QuickBooks community. The community is very big, so you can ask questions from the community and you will get answer. So the question of, is QuickBooks easy to learn? Yes, especially for everyday business tasks. And with the right mindset and a few tutorials, you'll be navigating QuickBooks like a pro in no time. Okay, that is it. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, no flow software guides. Drop your questions and comments. I'm here to help you learn faster. See you in the next video. Thank you.